This year, the Grand Parade is being led by Parade Commander DSP Nilotpal Saikia, and second in parade in commander, Inspector Girish Chandra Dekar. In the first contingent, we have 20 Battalion CRPF camp from Birla, led by Platoon Commander ABSI Ram Gobind Singh. In the second contingent, we have from Assam Police Diphu, led by Platoon Commander ABSI Maniram Gogoi. In the third contingent, we have District Home Guards Diphu, led by Platoon Commander ABSI Madhav Bora. In the fourth contingent, we have Diphu Government College NCC, led by Platoon Commander Senior Under Officer Bijoy Guala. In the fifth contingent, we have DAV Higher Secondary School